Hello, hello, how is everyone? Have you ever watched young children at play? I'm sure that you did. And I'm also sure that you notice how they act. They are completely inhibited. They laugh, they sing, they cry, they scream without worrying to what other people, children will think, will say about them. Probably you also have noticed two babies enjoying each other without noticing the differences between them because they are just pure love, light, and energy. I imagine that you have noticed also that when children get older, they start to notice that not all children are the same, not all children are alike. Children, they notice that children look different, children act different, talk different, play different, dress different. For some children, this realization is just an awareness without too much impact. But for some children, differences become a foundation of comparison and judgment, which can have a huge damage on their self-esteem. Now, I would like to ask you a question. Which one of these two you think it is more beneficial for our health? Which one of these two you think it is more important for our health? For me, I think that they both are very important. Yes, they look different, they taste different, but we need both for our health. They are both very beneficial. And it's not fair to compare them. It's not fair to say, oh, I choose lemon, I choose orange, because we need them both. Now, the same issue, we should think the same for ourselves. For humans to survive, we need all types of people. We need everyone talent and gift. We need people who are good at art, people who are good at sports, people who are good at building things, people who are good at growing things, people who are that are good at teaching things, people who are good at healing others. We need all kind of people and all type of talents. We are all unique. We have our own gifts and talents to bring to the world. And all of us are important. Our uniqueness is not better than or worse than someone else's uniqueness. It's just different. Honoring your uniqueness and talents, it is one of the greatest gifts that you can give yourself. Do you agree? Please type yes or no. Now, what's the point of this video? Today I just finished, as you can see, I have the makeup and I'm dressed. Today I just finished a workshop where children learn about their uniqueness. They learn that they don't have to compare themselves with others, and they don't have to copy others. So why we compare ourselves with others? Why children compare themselves with others? Why to compare children with other children? We need to stop this, because every time when we compare ourselves with others, or our children compare themselves with others, our self-esteem decreases, their self-esteem decreases. So it is very important to teach children to stop comparing themselves with others. And a good time to teach children this is when you hear your child comparing himself with others, putting himself down, or wishing he was different. Those are the good moments to teach children and encourage them to identify and honor their own uniqueness. So every time when you hear children comparing or putting themselves down or wishing he was different, help him brainstorm what they love about themselves and focus on that thing, not on what others look like or do or have. You can also help children when you hear that they are comparing themselves with others to make a poster, I love me poster, which illustrates all the things that they love about themselves. And this is very important because when kids and we adults, we focus on the things that we love about themselves, our self-esteem increases. It doesn't decrease. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please share, and I will see you tomorrow in another video. Wish you all a lovely evening. Bye.